Globe valves play a critical role in precise flow regulation across industrial piping systems. In this section, we present iFlow globe valves, featuring robust construction, reliable sealing, and smooth operation. Each valve is carefully designed to ensure accurate control, long service life, and stable performance in water, HVAC, marine, and industrial applications.
Qingdao iFlow was established in 2010. We are a manufacturer and seller focusing on providing customers with high-quality, fully equipped valves, including accessories. We are a caring family. Ever since we started up, we have been delivering thoughtful care to customers to every detail as we could, address value customer needs, comply with regulations, respond quickly, quote competitively while strictly control quality and lead time. If you are looking for a reliable partner, look no further. We treasure the partnership with every customer, as we deeply understand that only by supporting you to achieve your success can we have our own healthy development.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.